What's up you guys, back again with another video. Today we're going to be installing my neon lights or LED kit, whatever you guys want to call it. So right now I'm connecting it to the battery to see if they work, if I'm just going to connect it straight to the battery and use the remote. So far it's working, it looks pretty damn awesome. Even in broad daylight you could still see the LED lights, so it's super cool. We're about to connect everything and then I'm going to be taking off my side skirts because I'm going to be zip tying it to the side skirts. That way you won't really see it, it'll be hidden the whole time, but it's going to look super dope. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. We're going to be feeding the wires through here next to the battery. So right now what I did is got some extra wire, threw it down, took off the plastic skid plate right here because we're going to be feeding it through here, and bolting it up and basically zip tying it to my side skirts. Alright guys, check it out. The first side's done, and every time I talk it changes color. Oh my god, it's gonna look so fucking banging. Look at this. Boom! As you can see, still as we talk, it changes. Like, or look at this. So it's super cool. Just gotta do the left side and the rear, and it's done. So I basically didn't film an outro for this video, and I didn't really explain to you how I wired everything, so I'm about to show you that right now. So for the sides, the driver's side, the front, and the passenger side, I basically wired them through the engine bay, but I hid everything and zip tie them. Here's the front one. Basically, I got it from underneath the bumper right there. We have a little hole. I can't really show you the car's too low, but there's a hole there, and I fed the wire right through up here, zip tied it to this fence sensor, and then zip tied it here to this fuse box. Really clean setup. You can't really see any additional wires unless I point them out. So the one on the driver's side, as you can see, feeds up right here, comes up from the bottom, feeds up here. I put a zip tie there, one there, and then it goes back down. Now for the rear, I'll try to show you, but I basically had to connect it to the sway bar. You guys can see it right there. Zip tied it, connected it right there to the rubber hangers, and it works. So the only issue I kind of had with this one is when I connected it, the wire was not long enough for me to put it in the connector, so I basically ran it through the bottom of the trunk. There was a little rubber gasket as well, popped it off, ran it through the trunk, underneath the rear seats, if you want to call it a seat. So it ran underneath the seat, it goes underneath this plastic piece, you could see right there, a little bit of wire, tucked it away, and then all into this little hideout right here that you can't see at all and no one's feet will be touching. So everything got wired, got hidden, got tucked away, nice and clean. So really simple job. If you guys want to do it yourselves, that's the best way to do it. I would recommend. Super clean job. You don't have any excess wires anywhere, nothing's in the way. Since I actually put this kit on, it has been exactly a week, so I apologize for taking so long to release a video. It gave me time to drive around with it and now give you my initial review about it. So I bought this product from Wish. Wish is like all these car parts that are cheaper than eBay, and I'm surprised because it's been a week and it's been raining almost every day here. This is the only decent day where it's not raining, and it said that the kit was waterproof. I had to drive every day to work, Saturdays and Sundays, and the kit's still on. As you can see, the color's changing. It's a bit too bright out right now, so it's hard to see the color, but at night it's amazing. Now, if you would ask me, is this thing really worth it? It's all preference. I only did it because it's ricey, it's funny, it's for car shows. Like at night when I go somewhere with the friends, I'm just gonna turn it on, have it like do its rainbow effect thing. It's just something I kind of wanted when I was a kid when I played Need for Speed Underground. It's something I always wanted. I wanted a car with a big wing, wide body, low, and underglow. And basically I did that. The thing that's left for the car now is paint, and now we'll finish the exterior. And then we can be doing more engine mods, aka turbo kit. So hope you guys enjoy this quick video that I made for you. Sorry it took so long, but basically gave me time to drive around and see that this kit's actually waterproof, and I bought it for $25 off of Wish. So there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed this little video of mine that I did on these neon lights. I personally love it. I know it's ricey as hell, but it looks super cool at night. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.